Check that out. That's to help with the super awesome classic Chevy hood crease from these hinges binding up. It's pretty cool. Alright, we got the front clip pretty much disassembled. This is a 78 Chevy truck. Last thing we're doing today is pulling the rear bumper off. That's about 4 bolts. It'll be good to go. Helping out our guys here at the body shop, one of our customers we do a lot of business with. So we may or may not end up doing some more on it. Today we're just helping them out because they're short-handed due to the virus that's out right now. But yeah, we're getting it knocked out.